How to fix monitor black screen while gaming. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our desktop, and then once we are now on the desktop, go here on the search bar and then search for CMD and then click run as administrator. After that, in this part, what we're going to do is to type sfc space slash scan now and then click enter. After that, the system will scan your computer to see if there are any problems. While it is verifying our system, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for change screen saver. So once you do that, just click open right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to make sure that our screensaver is set to none. So if you see that it is, let's say for example, it is blank, make sure that you check none right here and then click apply and then click OK. After that, the next thing that we need to do is to go into our control panel. So type control panel right here and then click open. After that, on the view by, we're going to click large icons. And then in this part, we're going to look for power options, which is right here. So click that. And then in this part, go here and click the balance option. So if you have the performance option, you can also do that. And then once you do that, go here on the change plan settings and then on the turn off the display and then put the computer to sleep. Make sure that you put this for right here to never, which is right here. And then after that, what we're going to do is to click save changes and then go here on the change advanced power settings. So once you click that, what we're going to do is to go here on the PCI Express and then go here on the link state power management and then on the battery and plug-in, click that and then make sure that you change it to off. Same goes for the plug-in. So once you turn that into off, just click apply and then click OK. After that, just click save changes again. And then once it is done, as you can see, our verification has been completed. If there are any problems, they will try to fix it. And then all you have to do is to restart your computer. So once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar once again, and then search for click display, and then click on the graphic settings. In this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the display and then just scroll down until you see this advanced display. So in this part, for the refresh rate, all you have to do is to set it into max refresh rate that you have. So for my computer, I have 90 Hertz. So all you have to do is to change that into that. And then the last thing that we can do is to go here on the Windows Update and then try to see if there are any updates for your computer. After that, if there are any, all you have to do is to, of course, install the updates that you have. And then after that, that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix monitor black screen while gaming.